Woo! So we on day number 3, right? Well, if you haven't seen my previous video, we did go over how to create our online store in this Shopify challenge, okay? And funny thing is that Facebook actually contacted me in that video, so you might want to check that out. The reason why that Facebook contacted me is that they re-enabled my Facebook ads account, okay? I couldn't post on my personal pages, I couldn't comment, I couldn't message, I couldn't even do a new Facebook ads, guys. So yeah, so it was pretty stressful week. You know, this is one of those roadblocks that a lot of entrepreneurs go through, especially dealing with Facebook. But you know, you might want to check that video out. It is a banger. And also, I will be making a future video on how my Facebook ads account got banned and how I was able to get those pages and accounts back. So it's going to be a video that you guys are going to want to stay tuned for, so make sure you be on the lookout. So today is going to be a short sweet video where we're actually going to install our apps, okay? So all the top apps that we need so that our store can actually function and run correctly. So before we actually get into the video, here is today's comment winner. He is going to get a free consulting call. We're going to go over your website, your Instagram, and your Facebook pages, okay? So if you want to win today's consulting call giveaway, all you have to do is comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, guys. It's literally that simple. So let's not waste any time. Let's get straight into this video. Alright guys, so we are going to be choosing our apps, and if you're following this challenge, I am referring back to my personal website, how to start a dropshipping business in 2019. You guys can check it out. It is in the link down below. It gives you guys a step-by-step guide on how to create your online store, okay? I do have some helpful videos, some helpful guides as well, so you guys can check it out, and it is you know, worthwhile. All right, so the first app that we're going to download is called Oberlo. Now with Oberlo, it is not my favorite app. I definitely recommend another app, but this app is more for beginners, okay? This will definitely run your store you know, smoothly. But there is a better app, in my opinion, called Shopify, okay? So with Shopify, the differences between Shopify and Oberlo is that you can literally import products from you know, AliExpress. You can do it from Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Toys R Us. You can do it from anywhere, okay? But with Oberlo, you really can't do that. And also with Shopify, you also have a automation tool, which is the best part about it. With Oberlo, you're literally ordering the products one by one, but with Shopify, they make it a lot easier for high volume orders. So let's say you have you know, 50 orders in one day, right? With Oberlo, you're going to literally be on your computer, you know, 24/7, but Shopify makes it a lot more easier and smoother so that you can literally put all those orders in a queue, and Shopify will literally do the orders for you. So that's why I love using Shopify. That is, you know, the biggest perks with Shopify. I do recommend it. If you want to actually grab it, I will put it in the link down below if you want to actually use Shopify. So the next app that we're going to download is called the Better Coupon Box, okay? The Better Coupon Box basically is a pop-up. Is where they can, you know, collect emails, they can follow you on your social media pages, and is a great way to, you know, boost your followers as well on Instagram. Because, you know, if let's say you have a 10% discount code, right? You can literally say that, hey, go ahead and follow our page, or go ahead and like us on Facebook, and you know, they'll actually access that discount code. So that's going to actually make them take action into putting their email, or you know, actually following you on your other social pages. So this is actually one of my favorite apps to use. And keep in mind, you know, we're going to keep everything simple, guys. We're not going to be downloading all these crazy apps. We're going to be downloading, you know, free apps and things that everybody can use so that you can have your store running smoothly. Now another app is called Sales Pop by Beeketing. Sales Pop is basically an app where you know, it keeps your store busy. So in this example, it's going to say someone in New York just bought a pineapple t-shirt, and it'll say 2 hours ago. So all the purchasers that you had on your store, it is going to pop up on your store, and that's what's going to make that customer actually feel like, you know, the store is busy. It's not going to feel like the customer is actually alone. So this app is definitely really clutch, especially, you know, they have different types of themes that you can do, especially when Q4 is coming up. You know, you have a Christmas theme, you can get a Thanksgiving theme, maybe a Halloween theme, and you can do as many pop-ups as you want. Now another app that we're going to download, and this is very key, guys. This is a conversion booster, and it will instantly boost your sales. It's called Shopify Countdown Timer. if you go into the actual app, it will actually display a countdown timer on your actual product page. Now there is another app called the Beacon countdown timer that is free. In my opinion, when I use that app, my site actually goes a lot slower, so it does reduce your conversions, but it also helps boost conversions. But in my opinion, Herify is the better one out of the two. You can do so many different things. They did add new features from simple text. You can do sold number amount, real left stock, decreasing scarcity, increasing scarcity. They can do a coupon code. So it's definitely an app that I very recommend using, especially if you want to boost your conversions, guys. Now this app doesn't get a lot of love because people don't really put reviews on their page. They just make a product page, they add the features, they add the benefits, they add everything, but they don't add reviews on their page. If you go on Amazon, you see that every single product, most of their products that perform a lot well is products that have reviews, customer reviews. What are people saying about the product? So if you go on and download Ali reviews, you can literally download AliExpress reviews and import it onto your own online store. So Ali reviews did update their app. They do have more features. They do have more things that you can do on your product page. So you can literally download all these Ali reviews and choose the ones that you actually want, and you could choose the countries that you want as well. You can also edit the actual review yourself, and you can put more pictures inside the actual review. So in my opinion, this is one of the best apps because this does guarantee you more sales, and it does boost your conversions. You can see that it has lorem ipsum text. You can edit the reviews as you want. They also have profile pictures for it. They give you some cover letters, they give you some images that you can use. So in my opinion, this is one of my favorite apps to use, and it will definitely boost your conversions. Now the last app that we're going to talk about is called the MailChimp. As you may know, I'm a fan of email marketing. Email marketing is going to be one of the bulk of your sales. A lot of people don't take advantage of email marketing because it takes a lot of front up work, right? But the thing is, with MailChimp, it makes it a lot more easier because you can set up a sequence, right? You can do a pop-up form, an abandonment cart email, product retargeting email, order notifications, right? Like let's say they they order from your store and they're trying to get their tracking numbers, right? But MailChimp can actually send all those tracking numbers to the customers, and they don't have to worry about all these customer service, or you don't have to worry about that customer wondering where their tracking number for their actual products is. So if you want to dibble dabble into email marketing, guys, MailChimp is the app for you. There is also other apps like GetResponse, but this one works very well with e-commerce. You can see how many orders you get from an email campaign. You can also see how much total revenue you make from that email campaign, and also gives you so much different stats from click-through rating, from the open rate, through successful delivery to the bounce rate, and people that actually unsubscribe from your list, right? So if you have an email that's doing successful and you have a good click-through rate, you might want to send similar emails just like that, or you want to put them in a sequence so that you can warm up your customers. And every time they go throughout the day, like let's say first day you warm them up with a blog article about a certain product, right? Then the next day, or this 2 days later, you can say that, hey, we saw that you loved the blog article, we can recommend this product, and maybe they'll end up buying your product. So in my opinion, email marketing is pretty underrated. A lot of people don't really take advantage of it. So we're going to be actually doing a little bit of email marketing with our Shopify challenge. So these are the top apps that I definitely recommend using, especially as a beginner, and especially on this Shopify challenge. We're not going to be making things too complicated. We don't really need any other apps, in my opinion. We can still make at least $1,000 a day or $2,000 a day with these type of apps. So this is the day 3 of this Shopify challenge. This is all the apps that we're going to be using. This is a short, sweet video for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget that if you want to enter into this free consulting giveaway, you do have to comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can get every single upload that I upload on this channel. And lastly, don't forget the link is going to expire very soon. Make sure you check it out. A lot of people has been getting in, and I'm only going to be closing the cap very soon because I do not want way too many people, because I am pretty busy, and I have a Facebook private group that I'm mentoring in there. So make sure you check it out. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and at the end of the day, your boy is still here. Peace out.